Cook this for your moms, even though sometimes they can be naggy,
Vanessa, why you never clean your room? Your room so messy.
bossy,
Vanessa, I ask you to cook rice, you never cook rice.
overbearing,
下雨天有没有收衣服？
controlling.
叫你 defrost chicken 没有 defrost chicken， then 我怎么煮晚餐？
So, a couple years back, I made a special video for the special woman in my life, which is my mother, for Mother's Day. It's really easy, it's simple to assemble. It is a beautiful, luxurious dish that is fitting for the queen that my mother is. I thought it would be really nice for this Mother's Day to remake that pasta because she may or may not have been bugging me. First things first, we're gonna get to the pasta. We're using angel hair pasta, also known as capellino. We're gonna cook it to al dente and then into the ice bath. Cool. Have I added salt to my water? I'm trying to remember if I added salt to my water. I think so. I think I did. I remember salt and water.
Yeah. Oh, shut up. Timer, brother. This is gonna overcook so easily, and we wanna just keep it al dente because this is a cold dish. So we wanna immediately immerse it in an ice bath so it stops cooking. Give it a little tossy toss. Undercooked, sir. You would moan also if you smell this. Hey, you wanna come try? It's very good, it's very good. You just take a bit and try. Truffle? It's not truffle. Oh. Sure, ah? Yeah. I rarely get it right on the first try, but this is good. This is done. Noodles are done. We're gonna get out some scallops. We're gonna get out some umami.
All your noodle got sand one.
Sand now. Oh, the sand damn good, sir. The sand is what makes it. You want to try now?
Seasoning on point.
For the mothers out there.
Whoa.
So for scallops, hotate, definitely get the sashimi grade ones. These scallops, excuse me, today's scallops are from Hokkaido. You can just see that, it's beautiful, it's very plump, and you already know it's gonna be super sweet. All you have to do is just defrost them, and there's little muscle on the side. We just need to peel it off, and it's basically ready to eat, to be honest. We're eating good today. We're eating good today. We're eating good today. We're eating good today. Scallops are a little bit big to be served in one piece, so I'm just gonna slice them into 2 to 3 pieces. I'm gonna line them up and then I'm gonna touch them. Wow, taste test. Wow, so good. I love. You like? Why? You said uni tastes like shit. You didn't taste like shit. Assembly time. I like to use a big pair of chopsticks because I think it just helps me control the noodles better, and I want to make it extra fancy for my mom. We're gonna make it even more extra by adding some caviar and some gold eggs. When dealing with caviar, always use a non-metal spoon because metal has the tendency to denature the eggs and it will affect the texture and it will affect the flavor. So I just want to be completely clear. These gold flakes add absolutely nothing to the dish flavor-wise, but it's one of those things that it just looks so pretty, man. My mom is sick, so she couldn't come down to the studio today. So John is gonna be my mom.
Okay, how do I attack this? It's so pretty.
Everywhere, bro. Just go in top down, I would say.
Alright. We got this. Gotta make it for Mother's Day. I think your mom will be proud of me.
Yeah, all jokes aside, this woman, along with my dad, has fed me very well and took care of us very well. Yeah, I think a big part of why I do what I do today is because of her. So yeah, thanks mom. Happy Mother's Day.